Once again, doon na po tayo sa gitna. Everyone.
Congratulations.
Okay, mamaya na po yung lobo kapag nasindihan na po.
So, ang dami ng ano.
Okay, dapat dyan na yung wax sa gitna.
Wow.
Please everyone, please gather yourselves.
Okay. To formally begin our fellowship, we shall witness a meaningful activity.
May luhog po ang wax, isusunod na lang po nga tasiton nga Taiwan. O, sabay-sabay po tayo. Okay, sa pagpapalipad ng lantern.
Okay, and wax po, dadagkutan po ito ha. Ayaw po
Pero,
niyo pagtanggalan.
sabay-sabay po tayo.
Later
Ano, sa
ha,
pag-live.
hulat po come sa Kwan's and host.
And we would also like to request the operator for the sound system to please please switch off the light.
Okay, the lantern symbolizes hope, unity, friendship, and enduring light of memories that continue to guide us through time. Bisan pa man sinano kaihahan panahon, ang suga sa aton pagka-batchmate ngan pagka-alumni, padayon nga naglalamrag ang aton kasing-kasing. Ready na ba?
Ready na ba ang lahat? Puwesto! Pwesto pa lang ha? Pwesto lang muna.
Ala, you can give your wishes. Tawaray man kit marker. Pwede na lang niyo
Ihuri.
Ano? Ihuri, i-shout.
Ibulong nyo na lang yung inyong mga wishes. Sige, at this very moment, pwede na po natin silbihan ang wax.
Dapat po tanan para waray mabilin nga lantern.
At wag po muna natin bitawan. Ready?
The bass and the tweeters make the speakers go to war. The mighty trumpet brings the freaks out to the floor. The bass and the tweeters make the speakers go to war. The mighty trumpet brings the freaks out to the floor.
Is everyone ready?
Tell me where the freaks at.
Okay, go! Mag-ingat po tayo. Please watch po. Dahan-dahan. Watch 2013. Let's go!
Bright like we are starlights here. We keep on glowing like the moonlight be. Taking the vibe so high.
Wow,
When you not there. I'm singing a little song for you. Everybody sing.
Nahirapan sila oh.
and the enduring light of memory that continues to guide us through time. Go, Mother!
Ay, masusunog, masusunog.
Wow! Mahumaliwat ang pasabog sa Batch 2007. May ada pa manliwat pa fireworks. Thank you so much, Batch